Just a dark guy, 2021. Just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here with Sadiam, demoing, interviewing, and unboxing. I don't know where stickers. This is Miss Mercy though. So we got the right in China. Once you got her, it's like 2 cents ago, and I got Dahlia now, so it's cool. This is her. So you got her hand. Okay, how's her used her before? Clothes. A head, missing a screw. Not gonna try to find that. Body. Yeah, she's supposed to come with one screw. I'm not gonna try to find him. Obviously losing sunlight. And then here. One. Leg pulls. And base. Okay. So no one is released. It's gonna be daylight, but I have to work, so first take you to straight leg pulls. Snap locks in the back. And then take your bent pulls, go on top of the straight pulls. Okay, there you go. Now take the clothes, there's an underlayer. And that goes over the pulls. Make sure you get that underlayer over. Okay. Now close it over. Take the mechanism. And this is made by YJ. But it's almost SVI type setup. It's very easy. Okay, that's in. Now, attach the IR sensor wire, go straight to there. Do that off camera. And I'm also gonna pull up the arms. Okay. Now her thumbs aim up. This one will go on her right. The other one will go on the left. Run them up. Okay. Once the arms pulled up, take it. Go through the 4 connection. Now it's 2 prongs. Make sure it's through both, like just like that. And do the same thing for the other one. And while back here, we'll see. Make sure that wire is connected. Okay, now attach the head. This little slot right there. It looks like the head's like somehow got shut off upside down. And there is supposed to be a screw, I guess, right there. I am missing mine, but make sure you have that screw in. She should be okay for this demo, but I am gonna watch it though. Also, control box, so I'll get to this real quick. Okay, flash on. So this is one of those ones that does not require a switch. The adapter, and it just, wait a minute. I'm not actually sure where her adapter is. Is this it? Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So, her adapter, now I found it. Plug in right there. It's YJ one. The YJ ones always have the yellow ends. I don't know why. I don't know if they still do that. This is my newest YJ animatronic. Volume control. Turn that all the way up. She gets decently a lot. Chimey step head. Speaker jack. Yeah. Just if you ever if you have one of those plugged in, just go straight to that. Not should be on sensor. Is now close her up. One thing I forgot to say is this. Mine's kind of getting bad, but this can be over the eyes if you wanted to. Mine's falling apart, so I just can't have it there. Kind of put on the forehead. Anyways, I'm gonna move her a little bit so the light's not glaring behind her. Alright, that looks good. Plug her in and do a little demo. Come on. There you go. Oh, wait, I was just noticing, I forgot a step. So, there's one thing about her. Should my flashlight, should my flash on again. A second. Okay. So, on a close, her underlayer has Velcro points. 2 go in front, 2 go on the sides. There's Velcro around the base. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'll be right with you. Okay. Sorry about that. Now, look you in. That just helps with the form. You don't have to do that. It just makes it look more natural. Anyways, here she is. Alright. Reset. Okay. That is Miss Mercy. Miss Mercy is one of the channel I give a lot of praise. I don't speak highly of her. It's not because I don't like it. She just doesn't. She's kind of bland. But really, she's really good quality. Keep her at air conditioning though. She's one of the only channels I have. Her and Zoltan. Talk about Zoltan in a future video. These two suck in heat. Her face is showing signs of dry rotting here. Turn my flash on. And you kind of can see it throughout. It's really apparent in the neck area. Like, it's very apparent. Super loose. The hands are doing decent. But yeah, she's cool. YJ is this good. I think her face is foam filled latex, which is super cool. I love that. Speaker is alright. 2020 is alright. 2020 is when we just started getting really good speakers. I love the form, though. Her form filling now is amazing. It's not much to say. Her hands are, they are something, I will say. They're good. You just have to let them bend out a little bit. Form is nice on him. And I forgot to mention, you can't drop the adapter down the dress. That's completely fine. I just didn't do it. Yeah, this covering, optional covering the eyes, that's cool too. Yeah, you see mine's ripping, but it's a cool idea though. I like it. And yeah, thanks for watching. This is Jackson Halloween. So I just kind of showed the video. It's just kind of a pretty simple channel. Yeah, thanks for watching and bye.